Click on the link below to get price. The Ricoma EM-1010-7S single-head multi-needle embroidery machine is an excellent choice for beginners looking to dive into the world of embroidery. With its user-friendly design and robust features, this machine provides a seamless introduction to embroidery while still accommodating more experienced users. One of the standout features of the EM-1010-7S is its 10-needle system, which allows for multiple color changes without the need to stop and rethread the machine. This significantly enhances productivity, especially for larger projects or when working with intricate designs. The 10-needle capability is particularly beneficial for those who want to create detailed and colorful designs, as it broadens the range of possibilities without the constant interruption of rethreading. The machine is equipped with a large, intuitive touchscreen interface that simplifies the design and editing process. Beginners will appreciate the ease of navigating through various settings and options, while more experienced users will enjoy the advanced features, such as the ability to import designs via USB. The EM-1010-7S also supports a wide variety of file formats, making it highly versatile for different embroidery projects. Another highlight is the sturdy construction of the machine. The steel embroidery frame ensures durability, which is crucial for long-term use. Stability during operation helps to maintain precise stitching, reducing the likelihood of errors that can be frustrating for beginners. In terms of performance, the EM-1010-7S delivers impressive speed and precision. It can achieve up to 1,000 stitches per minute, allowing users to complete projects quickly without compromising quality. The machine's consistent performance is complemented by its ability to handle various fabrics, from lightweight materials to thicker textiles. Overall, the Ricoma EM-1010-7S is a fantastic embroidery machine for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Its combination of advanced features, ease of use, and robust construction makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to explore their creativity through embroidery.